Why business owners need surveillance cameras, from loss prevention to remote monitoring. As a business owner, ensuring the safety and security of your property and assets is a top priority. One of the most effective ways to do this is through the use of surveillance cameras. These cameras can provide a range of benefits that can help protect your business and improve its overall operations. One of the main reasons why business owners choose to install surveillance cameras is for loss prevention. Surveillance cameras can help deter theft and shoplifting, and provide a record of transactions for security and loss prevention purposes. This can help businesses identify any potential issues and take steps to address them before they result in a loss. Surveillance cameras can also be used to monitor employee activity. This can help ensure that employees are performing their duties correctly, identify any potential issues and assist in investigations if a crime occurs. Additionally, surveillance cameras can help monitor for potential health and safety hazards, such as slips, trips, and falls, and assist in investigations if an accident occurs. Another benefit of surveillance cameras for businesses is customer service. Surveillance cameras can help monitor customer interactions and provide a record of customer complaints for customer service and training purposes. This can help businesses improve their customer service and ensure that customers are satisfied with their experience. Surveillance cameras can also help detect and prevent fraud by providing a record of financial transactions and identifying any suspicious activity. This can help businesses protect their financial assets and ensure the integrity of their financial records. In addition, surveillance cameras can be used for remote monitoring. Business owners can monitor their business remotely and ensure the security of their property and assets even when they are away. It's a great way to keep an eye on the business and make sure everything is running smoothly. Lastly, surveillance cameras can provide evidence that can be used to prosecute vandals or burglars. It can be used as a proof to claim insurance and help the police to find the criminals. It's worth noting that the use of surveillance cameras must comply with the privacy laws, and the way it's used should be clearly communicated to the people it's affecting. In conclusion, surveillance cameras can provide a range of benefits for business owners, from loss prevention to remote monitoring. If you're in need of surveillance cameras for your business, contact RedBird Technology Solutions for all your surveillance needs. They can help you choose the right system for your business and ensure that it's installed and configured correctly to meet your needs.